Show me the money, it's almost a new year, and as we roll into 2025, a lot of us are looking for ways to be smarter with our money. We've all been hit with inflation, and frankly, it's getting out of hand. So how do we combat that? Well, one really effective strategy is taking on a no-buy challenge. It's simple. It's about being mindful of your spending, and most importantly, it's about keeping more of your hard-earned cash. Now, I know what you're thinking. No-buy challenge? Sounds intense. But the truth is, it doesn't have to be about deprivation. It's really about being conscious of where your money is going and making intentional choices about your spending habits. Think of it like this. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar earned and a step closer to your financial goals, whether that's buying your dream home, traveling the world, or retiring early. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down some simple, actionable guidelines to help you absolutely crush this no-buy challenge in 2025. We're talking about practical tips and strategies that you can easily implement into your life, starting today. So, are you ready to boost your savings and take control of your finances? Let's do this! All right, before you even think about cutting back on spending, you need to know what you're saving for. What gets you genuinely excited? Is it that down payment on a house? Maybe it's finally starting your own business or that dream vacation you've always talked about. Having a clear financial goal isn't just about picking something you want. It's about figuring out how much it costs and how long it'll take to save for it. Let's say you want to buy a rental property. Knowing it'll take a $50,000 down payment gives you a target. It's no longer some vague idea, it's a concrete number you can work towards. And trust me, having that clear goal in mind makes a huge difference. When you're tempted to splurge, you can remind yourself what you're sacrificing that dream for. It's about making choices that align with your long-term vision, not your short-term desires. Think of it like this. Your financial goals are your compass. They guide your decisions and keep you on track when things get tough. So take some time to really define what you want to achieve financially. Write it down, make it specific, and put it somewhere you'll see it every single day. Remember, this isn't just about saving money. It's about investing in your future and creating a life you're genuinely excited about. So let's get clear on those goals and start building the financial foundation for the life you deserve. Okay, once you've locked in those financial goals, it's time to get real with your spending. This is where the rubber meets the road. You can't fix what you don't track, right? It's like trying to lose weight without ever stepping on a scale. The best savers, the ones who build real wealth, they're not just lucky, they're strategic. They have a plan and they stick to it. They know where their money is going, down to the last dollar. Every cent is accounted for. Now, I'm not saying you need to become a spreadsheet wizard overnight, but you need a system, something that works for you. Thankfully, there are tons of apps out there that make tracking your spending incredibly easy. You don't have to do it all manually. You literally just connect your bank accounts and credit cards. And boom, the app does the rest. It's almost like magic. But here's the real magic. Once you start tracking, you start seeing patterns. Patterns that you never noticed before. You might be shocked to discover how much you spend on eating out every month. Those little meals add up quickly. Or those little impulse purchases that add up way faster than you realize. A coffee here, a snack there. Knowledge is power, my friends. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. And don't just track, analyze. Look at the data and understand what it means. At the end of each month, take a look at where your money went. Break it down into categories. Are you happy with how you spent it? Did it align with your goals and values? Were there any areas where you could have cut back? Maybe some expenses that weren't really necessary? This is about being honest with yourself and identifying those spending leaks that are holding you back from your financial goals. It's a process of self-discovery. Remember, this isn't about feeling guilty. It's about taking control. Empower yourself with knowledge. The more you understand your spending habits, the better equipped you'll be to make positive changes that align with your financial goals. It's all about progress. So download a tracking app, get organized, and let's get those finances in tip-top shape. Your future self will thank you. All right, let's talk about the heart of the no-buy challenge, separating your needs from your wants. This is a crucial step in mastering your finances and achieving your savings goals. This is where things get really interesting. And honestly, it's where you'll see the biggest impact on your savings. By understanding the difference, you can make more informed decisions. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about being a conscious spender. You can still enjoy life while being mindful of your financial choices. A need is something essential for your survival and well-being. These are the things you absolutely cannot do without. Think rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation to work, and basic clothing. These are the pillars that support your daily life. These are non-negotiable. You need them to live. Without them, your quality of life would significantly diminish. Wants, on the other hand, are everything else. They are the extras that add joy and comfort but aren't essential. They're the things that enhance your life but aren't crucial for your basic needs. These are the luxuries that make life more enjoyable. Think that daily latte, the latest gadgets, trendy clothes, or those concert tickets. These are the items that can quickly add up. Now, I'm not saying you can't enjoy any of those things during a no-buy challenge. It's about moderation and making thoughtful choices. It's about finding a balance. You can still treat yourself occasionally without compromising your financial goals. Can you make your coffee at home instead of buying it every day? Small changes like this can lead to significant savings over time. Can you wait for that new phone until your current one actually dies? Delaying gratification can be a powerful tool. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Every decision should bring you closer to your objectives. Here's a little trick. Whenever you're about to buy something, ask yourself, do I need this or do I just want it? This simple question can be a game changer. If it's a want, pause and consider if it's something you can live without, at least for now. Often you'll find that you can. You might be surprised how often you can. This practice can lead to a more mindful and fulfilling life. Remember, this isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. It's about making the most of your resources. It's about prioritizing your financial well-being and making choices that support your long-term goals. Every step you take should be intentional. So get clear on your needs versus your wants and watch your savings soar. You'll be amazed at the progress you can make. Okay, one of the biggest misconceptions about saving money is that it means sacrificing all the fun stuff. People often think that cutting costs means cutting out enjoyment, but that's simply not true. But that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, some of the best experiences in life are free or very low cost. There are so many incredible free or low-cost alternatives out there that can bring you just as much joy, if not more, than expensive activities. You just need to know where to look and be open to trying new things. Think about it. Instead of going to the movies, why not have a movie night at home? You can create a cozy atmosphere right in your living room, or even set up an outdoor screening in your backyard. Pop some popcorn, grab your favorite snacks, and cozy up on the couch. It's a perfect way to enjoy a film without the high ticket prices and expensive concessions. It's way cheaper, and you can pause the movie whenever you want. Plus, you can talk and laugh without worrying about disturbing others. Or instead of eating out, try hosting a potluck dinner with friends. It's a fun way to share different dishes and recipes. Everyone brings a dish, so it's affordable, and it's a great way to socialize and connect. You get to enjoy a variety of foods without the hefty restaurant bill. And don't even get me started on libraries. They are an often overlooked treasure trove of free resources. They're a goldmine of free entertainment. You can borrow books, movies, music, and even video games without spending a dime. You can borrow books, movies, music, and even video games. It's like having a free membership to a vast collection of entertainment. Plus, many libraries offer free classes, workshops, and events throughout the year. These can be educational, fun, and a great way to meet new people. It's like having a free membership to a world of entertainment and learning. You can discover new hobbies and interests without spending any money. The key here is to get creative and explore your options. There are countless ways to have fun and save money at the same time. Look for free concerts in your city, take advantage of free museum days, or explore the great outdoors. These activities can be just as enjoyable as their costly counterparts. There's a whole world of affordable fun out there waiting to be discovered. You just need to be open to new experiences and willing to seek them out. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be boring. It's about finding creative ways to enjoy life without breaking the bank. It's about finding creative ways to enjoy life without breaking the bank. Embrace the challenge and make it a fun adventure. So, embrace those free and low-cost alternatives and watch your savings grow while still having a blast. You'll be surprised at how much fun you can have without spending a lot of money. All right, let's be real. Sticking to a no-buy challenge can be tough, especially when you're surrounded by temptations and people who might not understand your goals. That's why having a supportive community and accountability system is absolutely crucial. Talk to your friends and family about your no-buy challenge. Explain why you're doing it and what you hope to achieve. You might be surprised how many people are also looking for ways to save money and would be happy to join you on your journey. Having someone to share your struggles and successes with can make a world of difference. And if you're looking for even more support, there are tons of online communities dedicated to frugal living, saving money, and crushing financial goals. Join some forums, follow some blogs, and connect with like-minded individuals who understand what you're going through. It's amazing how motivating it can be to surround yourself with people who are on the same path. Another great way to stay accountable is to find a no-buy challenge buddy. Someone you can check in with regularly, share your progress, and motivate each other. Having that external accountability can be a game changer when it comes to staying on track. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with supportive people, find a community that understands your goals, and watch your savings soar as you achieve financial freedom together. So, there you have it. Those are my simple, actionable guidelines to help you absolutely crush the no-buy challenge in 2025. Remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about being mindful, intentional, and in control of your finances. Imagine how good it will feel to watch your savings account grow, knowing that you're one step closer to achieving your financial dreams. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring early, the financial freedom you gain from this challenge will be worth every sacrifice. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you ready to take on the no-buy challenge? What are your biggest financial goals for 2025? Share your thoughts, tips, and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community and help each other achieve financial success.